Hey guys, Nikki here, and I have this beautiful blonde unit to show you from Myfirstwig. It is perfect for this time of the year, the summer that has transitioned or is transitioning into fall. Is it fall yet? Anyway, if you want to know more about this gorgeous wig that I am wearing, please continue to watch. Guys, so we have her on. I put that adjustable strap on the very last clasp, so let's just comb this out and see what we're working with, guys. It is bob season. Everything on this wig is pre already. I really don't even want to glue this down. Let's just see. I'm just doing this to draw the string to make the wig tighter. So I'm just going to pull it as tight as it will go and tuck it. So everybody know that I love Myfirstwig, guys. They're literally running a sale this week. It's the holiday weekend, the time I'm recording this video. And I'm all throughout the ad. That's how much I love their wigs. They're super beginner friendly. Super great quality, and I just love them. So I said, let me try this little blonde, alright? So let me just make sure we on her straight, okay? So let's start with our ear tabs. So that's about the only thing. These are a little bit big for me. So let's just cut a little bit of it off. So you guys know I take the Even spray. This is my favorite one. Listen, I don't even think it's any in here. Oh my gosh. And I am just going, usually I would pull it back, but I don't plan on wearing this a long time. So I'm just going to spray. And I'm going to show you guys how to not have that white cast. You guys, with lighter hair, it's not as prominent, but you can still see it. So we're just gonna spray this along the hairline. Oh, y'all definitely go see how I'm gonna make this work. Because y'all thought we was out of this spray just like I did, huh? and we not. Take a fan and dry it down a little bit. What I find that helps a lot when you're putting on wigs is to make sure that there is no hair interfering with the lace. So I like hold the lace down and comb it all out the way. So okay, as you guys can see, I went ahead and tied it down so that it can go ahead and melt into my scalp. And let's move on to more steps while this is doing that. This is a wax stick, so I'm just gonna flatten this out. Don't take it too far down because you don't want your hair greasy. You want to have body. I brush through that. Hot comb. We're just doing this while our lace melt. So what I usually do, and I tell you guys all the time, I feel like I waste so much spray. That's probably why I don't have any. Put some on there like that, and I put it where I feel like I need more spray. The last and final step in making sure that this lace is not showing is I take a foundation and I literally let it dry down a little bit. I don't want it like wet putting it on here. And just go over that lace with it. Right, now that we have the wig on, it's the easy part. You just flat iron it, style it, or whatever. Just gonna comb through it. I'm gonna take some hairspray. The hairspray smells so good. Everything I use is always linked below under the information about the hair. So Myfirstwig has all kind of wigs over there, straight, curly, long, short, bobs like this. And they do have split and quad pay options if you want to split your wig up. I love them. If I have a code, it will definitely be linked under the video along with the information about the wig. So now all we have to do is literally flat iron the wig, and I am going to I'm just gonna take it straight down because I want it kind of blunt. I want it curled under. Just continue to flat iron. This is what I want right here. This over here, that ain't getting it right. All right, guys, so I am seeing like some little, so I do want to take a bristle brush in the hairspray and just go over this again. I'm going to go in with the wax stick again. So here's a close-up for you guys. You absolutely cannot see any lace, if I do say so myself. So there you have this beautiful, beautiful, beautiful blonde bob from Myfirstwig. Guys, I love that company so much. I just really, really, really love everything about them, how they handle business, how they make sure their customers are good, and how these wigs are just bomb. So I will make sure I leave all of the information about Myfirstwig below in the description box. Make sure you check them out.